Hello everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to track a project and how to calculate the new end date of your time schedule. In front of you there is our project, Microsoft project. Here we can see the time schedule that we exported from Team Systems CPM, then we imported this time schedule in XML format into MS Project, and now we are going to track the project. To track the project, you need to go here, right click, track project here, and then you will see 4 columns that I made in yellow and blue, in which 2 columns represent the start and finish date of the baseline. This is the start baseline and finish baseline, and this is the effective start and effective finish. Here you can also make a right click and look for the percentage of complete, and on the right side you can see our Gantt chart, where the gray bars represent the baseline, whilst the blue and red bars represent the actual time schedule, the actual program of works. I only updated some activities. I set here the status day to the end of March. Let's suppose that today is the end of March, 31st March 2022, and we have been to the job site with our drawings, and we saw that some works have been performed up to the end of March. Which part of work have been performed? The piles are ready, and they are ready at 100%. 100%, 100%. The foundation is ready. The foundation is completed 100%. The formwork 100%. The steel 100%. The concrete 100%. And you can see here the actual start against the baseline start, and you can see the effective finish against the baseline finish. We can see that our activities started in delay, because the baseline start should have been the 1st of March, but it was the 8th of March. So these activities, all these previous activities started, but with some delays. It's 1 week delay. Then we reach this activity. It represents the installation of steel rebars in the pier, and we can see that the actual start is the 29th of March, but should have been the 18th of March. So even in this case we have 11 days of delay, and the percentage of complete in this case is only 30%. Then we also had some more activities here. The abutments are ready 100%, even if we started with some delay. In fact, the baseline start should have been the 2nd of March, but it was 7th of March, 5 days of delay. But they are completed 100%. We are at the end of March, and they are finished. Then we have our last activity for the girders. For the girders we have only a 45 progress. We started with a delay, not the 23rd of February, but we started 1 week later, the 2nd of March, and this means that if we continue like this, we will not finish the project on time. Indeed, if you go to look to the wall time schedule, you can see that the end of the project it's no more than 9 of June, but it's the 20th of June. So we have 11 days of delay in our project. The gray is the baseline, the red is the effective finish. Now that we know that some other activities are not started, 0% of complete, and some other activities are completed, some other activities are in progress, we can make an export of this updated Gantt chart. We can save the project in XML format. I already did it. It's the bridge updated. You can save the project and you can import the project to Team System CPM. Thanks, and I'll see you to the next lesson.